If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, so this is room 11028 here on MSC Seashore. This is a deluxe balcony cabin. Let's check it out. So starting over here, you do have a temperature control. Now I will be honest, this room is having some temperature issues. So if it's hot in here when you first walk in, and it's just this room, I promise you. Ironically, my girlfriend's on this cruise ship as well. As a surprise, and her room is just fine. So this is the shower right here. Yes, they do have glass doors. As you can see, they do have the different liquids, so shower gel and shampoo. They also have an outlet, so that's actually pretty cool for hair dryer and stuff like that. So that, you have your soap dispenser here, standard sink, the MrBucketlist right here, everything you need. Now over here you do have some like, I guess jacket hangers and stuff like that. And then this is one of the rooms that has the card, so you do need a card in here for it to activate. Now I believe any card may work, but we'll see. Okay, so over here you do have the closet. Now this is not a standard, this is not a solo room, this is actually a standard room, so this does accommodate 2 people, up 2 to 4 people, if I'm not mistaken. Now on this side they do have the safe. A lot of people ask they have a safe, of course they do. And they also have all these drawers. So a lot of space. And even over here, a lot of space. Now unfortunately, I don't see any type of outlet, which is very unfortunate. They do have one on that side, so that's good. But this is the bed. So as you can see, this looks like a double squeeze together. And it is. I can put the crease right here. That's the bed. And then you do have a USB outlet over there as well for charging and things like that. Looks like it's 1.5 amps, 5 volts. And this couch. This is a pull-out couch. So again, if you want to have it pulled out and have an extra bed, you got that right here as well. And then this is the TV. The TV does swivel, as you all can see. If I were to estimate, that is about a 50-inch TV, so not bad at all. Like I said, it swivels, so pretty cool. And then you got a desk area over here. So on the desk, as far as the outlets, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 outlets right there. You also have a wireless outlet right here as well for wireless charging. So we got what? 6 over there, 1 right there. So that's 7, 8. So far 8, and then you got that one in the bathroom. So technically 9. And that looks like it's it. That is all the outlets. And as you can see, they do have all these different little cubbies and things like that. Unfortunately, this does not have any ice in it yet. Okay. And then a mini bar. Now they will charge you for the mini bar, just to let you know. But that is it right there, nice and stocked. And then they do have a chair. They got another chair as well. Actually pretty cool. So you got 2. 1 and 2. Okay, and then last but not least is the balcony. Now, I do apologize, I waited towards Sailor Way to do this, but this is it. And look at that beautiful view.